The grocery store can be an intimidating and confusing place. Navigating the aisles while sticking to a plan is harder than ever. Food labels are required by law virtually everywhere in the world. However, this module will introduce you to Canada's labeling requirements and help you make informed choices at the grocery store. Not all products are required to have food labels. However, this is your guide for the ones that do. Why read food labels? Nutrition facts tables are required to be on most prepackaged food products. Food labels provide beneficial information to make informed choices about food and drinks. On them, you can find the nutritional value of foods, compare and choose products more easily, know what ingredients a food product contains, choose products with nutrients that you want, or avoid the ones you don't, and by being informed about the nutrient value, you can better manage special diets, such as one that is low in sodium or sugar, and increase or decrease your intake of a particular nutrient, such as wanting more fiber or less saturated fat. There are a number of components on a food label. The nutrition facts table, which provides information on a serving size, calories, the amount and served nutrients, and daily percent value, or DV for short. The DV is important since it's your guide to show you if there is a little or a lot of a nutrient. More on this later. The ingredient list will have all the ingredients on a food product. The list starts with the ingredient that weighs the most and ends with the ingredient that weighs the least. Nutrient claims are the favorite of food industry companies. All foods with claims must meet certain criteria, which will be covered in Lesson 2. Food allergy labels provide information to help you avoid specific food allergies or sensitivities. You may have noticed that the food labels have become much better at making these obvious. And date labeling tells you how long your unopened package will last. Some labels also have recommendations on how quickly you should consume them after opening. Additionally, products will let you know if it should be refrigerated. Now that you know the parts of a label, I'm going to show you how to use it. Step 1. Look at the serving size. The label will have a recommended serving size. This tells you how much of each nutrient the serving size has. Step 2. Look at the calories per serving size. This is how much energy each serving size provides. Step 3. Look at the percent daily value. This number was decided by decades of research. Essentially, a percent daily value tells you how much you are getting of this nutrient compared to how much of this nutrient you really need to maintain health. I know it's complicated, but to simplify things, 5% DV or less of this nutrient is a little, or 15% DV of this nutrient is a lot. Step 4. Look for the nutrients you want to get more of. These might include fiber, vitamin C, iron, or calcium. Step 5. Look for nutrients you want less of, such as sodium, sugar, and saturated fat. Step 6. Now look at the ingredient list. Some people like to know what's in their food. Many simple rules of thumb are, you may choose to skip on something if you can't read the font size, has more ingredients than you are comfortable with, or has something you can't pronounce. Step 7. Don't forget to look at the expiration date. In date labeling, some products may be safe to consume after this date. However, for a number of reasons, these products may go sour before the label on the package. The golden rule here is, when in doubt, throw it out. Let's look at an example and give it a go. I'll use a food product with a single ingredient, so we'll concentrate on steps 1 to 5. Step 1, look at the serving size. Here both packages show a serving size is 1 patty, but also 130 grams. Some products may have different serving sizes on the label. Step 2, look at the calories per serving size. You can see the beef burger has more calories at 340 versus the chicken burger, which has 200 calories. Step 3, look at the percent daily value on the right side. Here you can scan the label and compare which patty is higher and lower in the listed nutrients. Take a closer look at the sodium and fat content. Step 4, look for nutrients you want more of. The beef burger has 30% of the recommended DV for iron, which is a lot of this nutrient. Step 5. Look for nutrients you want less of. The chicken burger has less fat and saturated fat. It may not be a little, but it's certainly less than the beef burger. Have you made your choice? The beef burger might be better if you want more iron. The chicken burger might be better if you want less fat. But considering the sodium content, I would probably look for a different chicken burger. The most important thing here is to note that you've made an informed choice that's best for you, not the perfect choice.